There you go.
Cause the world keeps spinning round and round and my heart is racing to the speed of sound. Oh, hello. There's Holly.
Hey. Oh my god. Hey.
We're not even recording.
You're lying. Hey, Huckleberries. Welcome back to the channel.
So much editing you're gonna have to do.
So, it's been a while. Don't zoom in too close. It is my YouTube debut. I'm very uncomfortable, to be 100% honest. We're gonna do like a very casual house tour. Nate's filming. I want to start at the front of the house.
No.
Yeah, come on.
No, it's the best part.
Come on, Nate. Come on.
This is her room.
No.
It's kind of chaotic.
Come back, go back there. Who cares about a formal tour that starts at the front door? We're just gonna like think outside of the box. This is my room. So obviously I just moved in. I've spent the last 2 months living on a couch. We don't have to like zoom in on all of it. Okay, well, okay. But this is my room and hi.
Sorry.
And I am gonna be making a whole video transforming this room. I just haven't transformed it yet. Okay, bathroom. Here's our bathroom. Pretty straightforward. Again, I'll do another tour video once everything's settled. But I do actually love my bathroom. And then we go down this hall, and here's Nate's room. Nate, what? Oh, Nate.
Nothing here.
Nate, it's Nate's room. Come here, show us. So cute.
This is my room.
Okay. Okay. Continuing on with the tour.
That's my closet.
But then why is my winter coat in here? Guess who's back in Minneapolis, baby? Who's ready for some winter content?
I didn't realize how deep my closet was.
So I was thinking I would just put like some winter things just in this back area.
What about your closet?
I have so many things now that I have 4 seasons to dress for. I'm not sure. We'll figure it out. And here we come into the best part of the house. We did actually pick this place out because the kitchen is just so fantastic. So yeah, this is our favorite place. Dining room area. This is by far like the most well-kept, most beautiful built-in I've ever seen. And this light fixture I love. And then we have our living room. Hello. This is where the television will go. This is how I get around now.
Labor Day.
It's Labor Day weekend. We decided to move in on like the biggest moving day of the year. Nate, no, Nate, this is not B-roll.
What?
A-roll is like the main audio, like me, and then like we'll take B-roll later.
What's B-roll?
It's like what I edit to, like that. Best lighting in the house. Look, Nate, look.
Oh, I didn't know you could do that.
Yeah. No, we can like do this. Best lighting in the house. This is fun. We could show them our monkeys. So Nate and I, we lived together a few years ago. Chuck Yu is a local artist here who does all of the artwork for Indie Brewery, which is really fun. When I found it on Craigslist, I was like, we have to get it. And this was years and years ago when Nate and I had lived together the first time. Shall we go downstairs?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Into Jenny's lair. Jenny's not here, probably for the best.
She would hate this.
She would hate this. She's a little camera shy, but we love her all the same. So, oops. Oh. I don't know how to work light switches. Jenny is our 3rd roommate. We all have been friends for 7 years now. And she is, what do we say? Well, she has the most things. So we decided to give her the most space. And she gets the whole basement. So this is gonna be her bedroom. She just got this beautiful, huge mirror. Come here. Hi. I love how cushy the carpet is.
Cushy.
Oh, she's gonna make this more of a communal sitting area, which I'm very excited about because
We like to commune.
we like the basement. Yeah, we like hanging out in Jenny's room. It's always kind of just been our thing that Jenny always has the biggest room, so we just go there. Oh, no, I'm in charge. I'm the captain. No, Nate. And then we have a second bathroom, which honestly is just really nice for being a basement bathroom. Anyways, and then back here is technically the third bedroom of the house, but it's gonna be her closet. So they still have a whole month left on the lease. And that's why I'm the only one fully moved in. But we have nothing. I have no pots, I have no pans, I have no nothing, I have no groceries.
Hold on. While I'm down here, I'm just gonna switch over my laundry.
Okay. So this is our back door and that goes out to the yard. I'll show you. Oh God. Oh my God, Dad?
Yeah.
What the? You're here?
Yeah?
You came with the table.
Yes.
I literally did not expect that.
I said we'll see you in an hour. Or didn't Mom say that?
What? No.
Well, what else are we gonna do?
You didn't know we were coming? I thought that it was just gonna stay. Hi, Sunny! Oh my God! I'm filming our house tour right now.
You are?
Yeah. We had literally no idea. What the heck?
Oh,
Thank you. Dad brought me a coffee table.
it's a definite. There's a couple sticking out, so those could be tightened.
Oh, I see.
But it's not like you're gonna be twerking the table, so.
Never know.
I mean, with this one, I know.
Yeah.
Cute! $20. Yeah. Thanks, guys. I had no idea you were gonna deliver it today.
Aww.
Great.
Oh, is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Look at our new coffee table.
Just delivered.
Just delivered. Thanks, Mom and Dad. I know this video was honestly chaotic and strange. And it's a little strange to be filming again, but I will be updating you guys really soon with a little life update. You can only do so many of those in a row before it gets old, so I'm just holding off for a little bit. Even though it's been kind of stressful and chaotic, my life is improving and it just takes some time. Thank you for your patience. Thanks for returning. I did miss my 3-year anniversary. I did miss my 20K subscriber celebration. I will get to all of that. I'm just not quite there yet. So, hello, welcome to my new home, and I will see you guys really soon. Thanks, Nate.
You're welcome.
Okay,
Just so everyone knows, she really is doing well. Well, I don't know.